In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix Logitech Astro A10 headset with microphone or audio issues. Now, if you're encountering audio issues or other problems on your Logitech Astro A10, it's relatively easy to fix this. What you want to do is to simply unplug your device first, and from here, you then want to locate the wired connection. Let's go ahead and say that this is our wired connection right here, and it goes something like this. Now, what you want to do is to simply unplug, as I've mentioned previously, and from there you then want to look for the controls of our headset or our wired connection, and from there you then want to connect the closest audio jack to the main headset itself. So as you can see right here, let's say that this is the shortest connection with our headset. You basically want to plug this connection right here, but if it goes something like where this is the closest one, you then want to plug this specific audio jack to the main port. From there, this will then fix most of our problems on the Logitech A10. Once again, you want to plug the closest audio jack to the controls right here. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.